Want to create your own storybook using Gemini on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra? Let me show you how to use the Storybook feature. First, open the Gemini app on your Samsung device. On the main screen, tap your profile picture in the top right corner. This will open your account menu. Tap Gem Manager. Now, find and select Storybook. Here, you'll see a description of this feature. Storybook lets you create a customized picture book for children or adults, based on a topic, age, and even an art style. You'll also see several example options you can choose from. You can tap one of these examples to get started quickly. Or, you can type your own idea. For example, create a children's story about a brave cat with colorful cartoon illustrations. Then tap Send. Gemini will generate a story along with images based on your request. This makes it easy to create fun and creative storybooks in just seconds. You can try different topics, styles, or audiences to get different results. And that's how to create a storybook using Gemini on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra.